Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Ali. I hope you're all doing well and are staying safe. So in today's video, I want to share a few beads with you guys. OhmBeads sent me these beads for review and I'm very excited to open this package. It's come packaged so beautifully in this tissue paper with some ribbon on top, and it's really really pretty, and I almost don't want to rip into it, but I want to see the beads that they sent me. So let's go ahead and open this up and see what they sent me. So once I open the tissue paper, there is this box inside. It's a plain cardboard box. It does say ohmbeads.com here. So let's open that here and see what's in this. And I do see more tissue paper, and there are all these boxes inside, and I see a red box and I see a box from their space collection. And so yeah, let's see what's in these. So let's open this red one right here, and since it's red, I'm thinking it has to do with the Chinese New Year collection that they have. And ooh, I think I'm right. And I have this over here. This is called the Year of the Rabbit, and you can see that it is a rabbit and it is made up of these swirls, which I think are ohm swirls. You can see the ohm swirls in there. Oh wow, this is beautiful. I've seen people designing with it, but to see it in person and see all the details, it's just really amazing. Just look at all these swirls, and yeah, it is really really pretty how it just makes a rabbit. And I think it's running. You can see the two front feet and the two back feet. They're kind of like he's in the middle of a run. And so yeah, that's the Year of the Rabbit. Let's open, I think, the space collection box next. So every month this year, OhmBeads has been releasing a celestial themed bead from their space collection, and it's usually some planet. So let's see which one this is. And this one, let me look. This one is called, I have the OhmBeads website open right next to me to see what the beads are. So this one is called Earth Eden. And so this is Earth. You can see the continents here. You see North America, South America, Africa, Asia, and Europe over there. And so yeah, this is Earth Eden. It's really pretty, and I think yeah, this moves on this. The earth rotates, and then the bale, oh look at the bale, it has like 3 stars. Oh, and there's a moon, there's a crescent moon. I didn't know about that. I know they do something special with each bale in this collection, and this one is really nice. I love the crescent moon, I love the 3 stars. The other side is plain. So yeah, this is Earth Eden. This is really cool. Next, let's open this big box and see what's in here. Oh, and there's it's about juniper berries and what juniper berries are. So is there a bead here that's the juniper berry? I don't remember if they have anything like that, but ooh, I see some glass beads and I see a silver. So let me take these out. This first silver bead in there is called Dead Bird. And I have to be honest, guys, when I saw that OhmBeads released this bead, I was like, why would anybody want this bead? But then I went and read about it, and it talks about how, you know, the cycle of life and everything. So you know, I would suggest you go read what they say about it, because it's yeah, it makes you think. And so you can see the details on this bead are amazing. I still don't know how I feel about this bead or how I would design with it, but the message behind it is yeah, thought-provoking. So, and here you can see that the bird is dead. You can see its ribs and everything, but in the middle of that you see this shoot of little leaves sprouting through, and that just tells you that one life ends and it helps another begin. And so that's a message, I guess, that's, as I said, thought-provoking. So this one is Dead Bird. Again, amazing details on this. And look at that. Look at all the details on the feathers and the body. It's really amazing how much detail they put into each bead. So this one is Dead Bird, and then I do have three three glass beads here. And the first one I have is this one, and this is called From the Depths. And this is such a beautiful bead. This one definitely gives me fairy wren vibes because of the colors, but this is really pretty. I have one that has different blues and purples in there, a hint of pinkish orange. There's these specks of black in there with some bubbles that almost look like silver. Such a beautiful, beautiful bead. Look at that. That's the side. And yeah, definitely fairy wren vibes. So if you missed out on that, or you are or you love fairy wren, I would definitely recommend this bead. It is so beautiful. So that's the first glass bead. The other one is this one, and this one is called Primordial Hope. And this one again is so beautiful. This has more of a yellowish green background with, again, those black specks, almost like a web, and those bubbles in there. Very pretty. I think this one would look so pretty designed with my skull collection from OhmBeads. It is really pretty. It gives me that prehistoric vibe for some reason. So this one is Primordial Hope. And then the last glass bead that they sent me is this one. And you can see that this one is a different shape. This is not the regular shape. This is more in the nigiri shape, the triangle shape. And this one is called Lake Baikal, which is a lake somewhere in Russia. And this has a very deep green base with these white detailing on top of it, and just looks like a green frozen lake to me. That's what it looks like, and maybe that's what they're going for. And yeah, it's very pretty. Oh, I see hints of brown and white here as well on the sides. And yeah, it's a very pretty bead. I really like this nigiri shape. I have a couple in my collection, but one is from the GOTM, that is Glass of the Month series that they do, and I have two more that were uniques, or OhmNeeks as they're called, that I got from Ohm Thailand. And yeah, this one is beautiful. I don't think I have such a deep green color in my collection from OhmBeads, so this one I really love. And then let's open this last box in here, and this one has a black pouch. So let's see what's in this. And this is heavy. Okay, so this one is Flower Goddess. So this is a pretty big bead. It's really heavy too. So you have this woman goddess in her flowing robes, and you can see a little tiny butterfly. I think it is a butterfly at the bottom, and then there's the back. You can see her flowing hair. It's a beautiful bead, and as I said, it's pretty big. Look at it next to my finger. It's a pretty big bead. It's heavy. I think this one is more suited to be a pendant worn on a chain, I think, more so than a bangle or a bracelet, but I'll have to play with it to see. And yeah, it is really pretty. I love the details on her. I love her hair, and I love this tiny bee detail. It's so cute. That's the back of the bee, and that's the front. And so yeah, this is Flower Goddess. So these are all the beads that OhmBeads sent me for review. And since I have you here, I think I want to do a quick design using maybe some of these glass beads and see what it looks like. So let me put something together and I'll be right back. Okay, so here is the design I came up with. As I said, I wanted to use this Primordial Hope with some of my skull beads from OhmBeads, and the skull beads that I've used are the dragon skull and the triceratops skull. I just love these skull beads that they do. I hope they do more in the future. So I do have Primordial Hope here, and then I have From the Depths here. Again, this is such a gorgeous bead. And then I have Lake Baikal in the middle. So it just these two beads, as I said, especially this one, really remind me of fossils for some reason. And so I really like how this turned out, and I think I'm going to be wearing this design for the next few months as is. So yeah, guys, that is my video. A huge thank you to OhmBeads for sending these beads to me for review, and a big thank you to all of you too for watching my videos. If you enjoyed this video, do give me a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel already, I would love it if you would consider subscribing. And if you're not following me on Instagram and you like to see more designs, then do follow me there. I'm Pandorably_charmed there on Instagram. And yeah, I'll see you in my next one. Stay safe, guys. Bye.